Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to save contacts on Gmail on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on Google. From here, just scroll down and tap on Backup. Now from here, just select Other Device Data. Now, as you can see, once you select other device data, it will back up the contacts, call history, and other device settings. Now, once you select this option, just tap on confirm. From here, just tap on manage backup. Now from here, it will take a few minutes to back up your contacts on your Gmail. Now from here, there is another way to back up your contacts on your Gmail. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the Contacts app. Now from here, just make sure you tap on Organize. Just like that. And from here, just scroll down and tap on Export to File. Now once you do that, just select a Gmail account. Now from here, just tap on Export. Now from here, just tap on Save. Now as you can see, we have successfully exported our contacts to our Gmail account. And this is how to save contacts on Gmail on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.